Welcome everyone back to Foxtecc. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a video of your iPad screen. Whether you want to capture gameplay, create a tutorial, or just save a moment from your screen recording on your iPad is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to make sure that the screen recording option is readily accessible in your iPad's control center. This is where you'll start and stop your recording, so it's important to have it set up correctly. To do this, head over to your iPad's settings app. Once you're in, scroll down and tap on Control Center. From there, you'll see a list of options under More Controls. Look for Screen Recording and tap the green plus sign next to it. This will add the screen recording button to your control center, making it easy to start a recording whenever you need. Now that we've got the setup out of the way, let's talk about how to begin your screen recording. When you're ready to record, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPad to open the control center. You'll see the screen recording icon. It looks like a small circle within a larger circle. Tap this icon and your iPad will start recording everything that happens on the screen after a brief countdown. If you want to capture audio along with your screen recording, maybe you're narrating a tutorial or commenting on a game, you can do that too. Instead of just tapping the screen recording icon, press and hold it for a moment. This will bring up an additional menu where you'll see an option to turn on the microphone. Tap the microphone button to enable it, and now your iPad will record your voice or any other sounds picked up by the mic along with the screen footage. While the recording is active, you'll notice a red bar at the top of your screen. This is your indicator that the screen is being recorded. The recording feature is pretty user-friendly, automatically capturing the screen at a standard resolution and frame rate without needing any extra adjustments. It's designed to be as simple as possible, so you can focus on what you're doing without worrying about technical settings. But if you're looking for a bit more control over your recordings, or if you want to avoid that red recording indicator bar, there's another method you can use. By connecting your iPad to a Mac via a cable, you can use the QuickTime app to record your iPad's screen. This option gives you a clean recording without the red bar and might be preferable for more professional-looking content. And there you have it. Whether you're using the built-in screen recording feature or opting for a more advanced setup with QuickTime, you now know how to take a video of your iPad screen. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials just like this. See you guys later.